In this video I will show you how you can get a vidIQ for free. First of all, you want to log in with your account, and if you log in with a new account, you get this, as you can see right here, this time ticker. You want to make sure that you log in with a new account, and when you come in here, you can see that it says start 7-day free trial, and then you have to type in your card number, and you have to it will reserve €1 to make sure that you have money on your card. And after this, you can cancel your free trial by going down here on this chat icon, and then you can go in here and what is my current plan. You have to go in here, and or you can send a message and you can say exploring price and plans. Then you can, until it will show you to the page. This is the page right here. And then down here it will says cancel trial, and you will still keep the pro features for 7 days.